We've reviewed a lot of earbuds, but there's one kind we've never tested, and that's the wireless bone conduction headphones. And it just so happens that we recently received the wireless bone conduction headphone from HAYLOU PurFree BC01. So let's see what advantages this particular headphones has today. The PurFree box is indeed larger than the regular wireless earbuds, and HAYLOU has really put some thought into the box. When you pull it out, the lid flips open like a book. You can feel the magnets inside the lid, and it feels great to open and close. The headphone is on the right, and all the accessories are in this small box. Inside, there is a magnetic charging cable, an instruction manual, and a quick guide. The most special thing is this, the earplugs. Why there are earplugs in bone conduction headphones? People who have used the bone conduction headphones must be very confused. The answer is in the manual. If you have not thrown away the manual, you can know that it is used to block out noise better, so you can hear the music sound or what the person on the other side of the phone is saying. Next, let's talk about the advantages of PurFree. As a device that doesn't have to be plugged into the ear and doesn't bother anyone else, it has so many benefits. First of all, these headphones are very friendly to people with ear diseases, such as eardrum inflammation, for which they can only wear half-in-ear earphones similar to AirPods, or cannot wear any headphones at all. But PurFree, which transmits sound by vibrating the skull through a vibration transducer, does not touch your ears. So even for people who suffer from hearing loss, it is possible for them to hear sound through bone conduction technology. So remember, if you have an ear canal injury or can't wear headphones, you can choose bone conduction headphones like PurFree. If you have visited HAYLOU's official website, you will know that PurFree is mainly designed for people who like sports. The design of not entering the ear canal not only reduces the pressure of the headphones on the ear canal during sports, but is also safer. If you use any in-ear headphones for outdoor sports, isolating yourself from the outside world can be very dangerous. So a pair of headphones that works for enjoying the music and listening to the ambient sound around you is a solid need. So PurFree is definitely such a headphone. What? You say your AirPods can do all that too? Well, can you be sure it won't fall off your ears from intense sports? The PurFree bone conduction headphones will clamp up onto your skull because it has to conduct sound that way, and with the hanging design, it's almost impossible for you to shake them off. Then for the people who does not have ear disease and do not love sports, is there still a point to buy these headphones? The answer is yes. I recommend these bone conduction headphones for people who wear headphones for a long period of time. Compared to regular wireless earbuds, PurFree has a longer 8-hour battery life and only needs to be charged once a day. Next, it is very comfortable to wear. Even if you really wear it all day, you will not have ear pain. There are even more fun ways to use it. For example, if you want to hear the sound of two devices at the same time but cannot turn on the speaker, you can do this: a PurFree Plus and earbuds. Different headphones for either ear, you can even hear the sound of 3 different devices. Or you can make something sing. Although few people will do this, but it's fun, right? Next, I will answer a few questions or address the concern you may have. For example, you must be curious whether it will leak sound. Don't worry, I personally feel that its sound leakage is still very slight. Others cannot hear what your headphones are playing within normal distance. Or maybe you will be worried about its sound quality. Well, sound quality is generally not the strong point of bone conduction headphones. They generally focus on functionality. For example, PurFree has a dual device connection function and also support IP67 waterproof. In a word, if you want good sound quality headphones, do not choose bone conduction headphones. About PurFree other configurations such as aptX support, Bluetooth 5.0, buttons are only function buttons and volume up and down. Through these 3 buttons, you can control the headphones. No need to download app. It's time to summarize. Compared to other bone conduction headphones, what advantage of this 79 PurFree has? First of all, the build quality is very good. HAYLOU is also a well-known brand. After-sales service is also guaranteed, and it supports dual device connection. It also has aptX and Bluetooth 5.2. It can be considered as a better choice at this price point. Here's Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.